The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces inflicted fire damage on the units of the armed forces of Ukraine, close to Pershatravnevoye and Berestovoye in Kharkov region, and Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, actions of 3 sabotage and reconnaissance groups of the armed forces of Ukraine were thwarted near Sinkovka and Kislovka in Kharkov region. The enemy's losses in this direction during the day amounted to 30 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles, 1 Polish-made Krab and 1 US-made Paladin self-propelled artillery systems. In the Krasny Liman direction, ground attack aircraft, army aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center Group of Forces engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye, Chervonaya Dibrova, Chervona Popovka in Lugansk People's Republic, as well as Grigorovka and Terny in Donetsk People's Republic. More than 80 Ukrainian troops, 4 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 D-20 howitzer have been neutralized in this direction during the day. In the Donetsk direction, close to Artyomovsk, the Wagner assault detachments took control over 3 town blocks. Russian airborne troops immobilized the enemy's action on the flanks of the assault detachments. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the U group of forces engaged the reinforcement units of the enemy who attempted to enter Artyomovsk from Chasov Yar and Bogdanovka, as well as the units of the 28th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine close to Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Over the past 24 hours, aircraft flew 8 sorties, and the group's missile troops and artillery carried out 52 fire-on missions in this area. The enemy losses amounted to over 245 Ukrainian military, 1 tank, 1 APC, 2 armored combat vehicles, 3 pickup trucks, 8 motor vehicles, 1 Stubby howitzer, 2 D-20 howitzers, and 3 Grad MLRS launchers. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic and Gulaipole and Orekhov in Zaporozhye region. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 65th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces was destroyed close to Orekhov in Zaporozhye region. 2 sabotage and reconnaissance groups of the Armed Forces of Ukraine have been neutralized close to Pavlovka and Novoselka in Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 180 Ukrainian servicemen, 11 motor vehicles, and 1 D-30 howitzer have been neutralized in these areas during the day. In the Kherson direction, up to 50 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 6 motor vehicles have been destroyed. A military equipment depot of the 121st Territorial Defense Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been obliterated close to Otrado Kamenka in Kherson region. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 94 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 117 areas during the day. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Su-24 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian Air Defense Forces have intercepted 2 HIMARS MLRS projectiles during the day. Moreover, 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down close to Novokrasnyanka, Naugolnoye, Kremenная, Chervona Popovka in Lugansk People's Republic, and Yelenovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 407 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,741 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,647 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,082 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,570 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,483 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that Russia lost 540 servicemen within a day, including 10 armored vehicles, 7 artillery units and 5 drones. In total, Russia lost 180,590 servicemen since the start of the conflict, including 3,646 tanks, 7,053 armored personnel carriers, 2,777 artillery units, as well as 307 fighter jets, 293 helicopters and 2,339 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict last for 413 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. The Ukrainian military also released footage of its troops destroying Russian fortifications in the forest. A Russian armored fighting vehicles was destroyed by UAV. Combat work of the 14th Separate Mechanized Brigade gave no chance to the enemy. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swore not to forgive Russia invaders. There is something that no one in the world can ignore, how easily these beasts kill. We are not going to forget anything. Neither are we going to forgive the murderers. There will be legal responsibility for everything. The defeat of terror is necessary, Zelensky said.
Є те, що нікому у світі неможливо ігнорувати. Як легко ці звірі вбивають. Це відео страти українського полоненого. Світ повинен бачити. Це відео Росії, якою вона є. Що це за істоти? Для них немає людей. Син, брат, чоловік, чиясь дитина. Це відео Росії, яка намагається зробити саме це новою нормою. Таку звичку – знищувати життя. Це не випадковість, це не епізод. Так було раніше, так було в Бучі, тисячі разів. Кожен повинен реагувати. Кожен лідер. Не чекати, що це забудеться, що пройде час. Ми нічого не збираємось забувати. І прощувати вбивцям. Законна відповідальність буде за все. Потрібен програш терору. Ніхто не зрозуміє, якщо лідери не зреагують. Зараз треба діяти. І нам в Україні максимально зосередитись на фронті, максимально допомагати, гнати окупанта з нашої землі. Головна мета – перемогти. Головна мета – Україні міцність, щоб перемогти. Розгром окупанту, вироки вбивцям, трибунал, державі злу. Вічна пам'ять кожній людині, чиє життя забрав цей російський терор. Слава усім, хто б'ється проти цього зла. Слава Україні!
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.